Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Free Trader. Today, I want to talk about Intel Corporation, and we all know Intel is a blue chip stock. Intel, manufacture semiconductor devices. So Intel has been around for a little while. So Intel is a blue chip stock, and Intel does pay dividend and a lot of stuff. And on the screen, Intel right now it is at 45.39. So this is the fundamental of Intel. If you wanna look into them, you can pause it and read it and go through it. I'm not a big fan of fundamental, but I do look into them. So I also pay attention to the dividend yield. It's not bad. It's almost 3%. I would take it. Intel does have a dividend growth of 6.59%. I would take it. The PE is 8.55. The forward PE is 9.7. I would take it. It's not bad. It's decent. But in terms of my investment ideas, I do like blue chip stock. I know Intel gonna stick around for a long time, so it's not a stock that gonna disappear tomorrow. So Intel gonna be in business. That's why I focus on blue chip stock. That being said, I'm gonna jump into the chart because I don't usually focus on the fundamental, but the other thing that I focus on the most is the chart. So let's get into the chart and see what is going on. This is the chart. This is the monthly chart of Intel. The reason why I'm focusing on Intel today, and I'm sharing it as an investment idea, that if you want, you can look into it. It's not a recommendation to buy or to sell, but the reason why I'm bringing it because Intel is at a major support level right now. Right now that we're talking, Intel is at this support level. If you can notice, Intel has bounced off this support level multiple times, and now, as the day of today that I'm talking, Intel, it is at this support right now, which is around the 44 and 46. We can see that previously Intel did hit this resistance of 69.29. So you can see the difference between this support and this resistance. So we are buying at the support, and that's one of the things that I like doing. I'm not a big fan of buying at the resistance. I want to buy at the support and hold for a year or 2 or 3, I don't know, depending on how the stock gonna perform, but at least I want to buy at the support. So Intel on the monthly chart has shown a nice support, and Intel for some reason has respected this support level for many years, almost 3 years now. So I'm gonna watch this support level and see how Intel gonna react over here. If there's a good reaction, we might bounce up again. That's the reason why I'm looking into Intel. And if I want to get in Intel, I'm gonna be scaling in. If I want to buy like 1,000 share, I'm gonna buy 200. Watch the stock, see how it perform a little bit, and then add another 200 share. That's how I'm gonna be doing it. So, but anyway, I'll be buying at the support level. But remember, it can break support. So always be careful with your choices and always do your own due diligence. That being said, I'm not gonna hold you that long. The other thing that I want to say about investing is, a lot of time you don't have the capital to invest. You don't have all the money to buy 1,000 share of Intel or 2,000 share. But the other thing that you can do also is you can play the options. Okay, so you can also buy leap options. Leap option give you some expiration date over a year. Any option that give you an expiration date over a year is a leap option. You can get into some and hold for the long run. Okay, that's the idea that I want to give you. That's a tip that I want to give you. I know it's not a lot of people that know about options, but if you don't know about it, try to learn about option. I'll be sharing some of my option strategy here too, but it's not in this video. Okay, I'll be doing that later on. That's what I have for you. If you like Intel, the way it's setting up, you can keep your eyes on it and get into Intel, because if it bounce, we gotta look at this first resistance. We got this one, and we got this one. It might go higher. Okay, that's what I have for you today, and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.